Have you ever wondered why some companies thrive while others struggle despite being in the same industry? Today we're peeling back the layers of this puzzle to reveal a key component: organizational structures. These structures, often unseen, are the backbone of a company, influencing decision-making, efficiency, and overall performance. They dictate who does what, how they do it, and who they report to. In essence, understanding organizational structures is the first step to comprehending the underlying mechanics of a successful company. There's no one-size-fits-all when it comes to organizational structures. Different companies operate differently based on various factors. Let's dive right in and explore the 5 common types of organizational structures. First up, we have the functional structure. This is a classic model where an organization is divided into departments based on their functions, such as marketing, finance, and operations. It's like a well-oiled machine, each part working in harmony to achieve the company's goals. Companies like McDonald's operate under this structure. Yet, while it promotes efficiency and specialization, it can also lead to silos and hinder cross-department collaboration. Next, we have the divisional structure, which is more suited to large corporations with various products or market segments. In this structure, each division operates somewhat independently, with its own set of resources and objectives. For instance, General Motors uses this structure to manage its diverse product line. While this structure allows for flexibility and focus, it may also lead to duplication of resources. Then comes the matrix structure, a hybrid model combining the best of both functional and divisional structures. Here, employees have dual reporting lines, usually to a functional manager and a project or product manager. Companies like Philips have adopted this structure to balance efficiency and responsiveness. However, it can lead to power struggles and confusion due to dual authority. The fourth type is the flat structure, where there are few or no levels of middle management. This structure fosters open communication and quick decision-making. Tech startups like Spotify often use this structure, but it might not be suitable for larger organizations, as it could lead to managerial overload and lack of clear career progression. Lastly, we have the network structure. It's a modern, flexible structure where companies outsource non-core activities to external entities. Think of it as a web of collaborations. Companies like Uber use this structure to stay lean and agile, but it may also pose risks related to control and quality assurance. Choosing the right structure depends on multiple factors, including the company's size, industry type, growth stage, culture, and values. So understanding these structures is a crucial step in shaping an organization that not only survives, but thrives. Creating an effective organizational structure is not just about picking a type and sticking to it. It's a thoughtful process that starts with understanding your organization's goals. You need to ask, what are we trying to achieve? And how can our structure support these goals? Next, consider the balance between specialization and collaboration. While specialization can lead to efficiency, collaboration fosters innovation. A successful organizational structure finds the sweet spot between these two. Remember, the world around us is constantly changing. Your structure needs to be adaptable to navigate these shifts. Whether it's a change in the market, a new product launch, or a global pandemic, an effective structure can pivot and respond to these changes. Creating an effective organizational structure is like building a well-oiled machine. Each part has a specific role, but all parts need to work together for the machine to function. A well-designed structure can lead to improved communication, enhanced decision-making, efficient resource allocation, and increased employee satisfaction. Let's take a look at a real-world example to better understand the practical application of organizational structures. Consider the global giant Amazon. Amazon's organizational structure is primarily functional, but with elements of divisional structure due to its vast array of products and services. This hybrid structure allows the company to effectively manage its wide-ranging operations, from e-commerce and digital streaming to artificial intelligence and cloud computing. The functional structure streamlines expertise, fostering specialization and efficiency. Simultaneously, the divisional structure caters to the unique demands of each product line, enabling flexibility and adaptability. Amazon's leadership, especially its founder Jeff Bezos, has played a pivotal role in shaping this structure. Bezos's customer-centric philosophy is reflected in the company's structure, which prioritizes customer satisfaction above all else. This case study illustrates the profound impact of an effective organizational structure on a company's success. Organizational structures may seem complex, but understanding them can provide valuable insight into the workings of successful companies. We've dove into the depths of functional, divisional, matrix, flat, and network structures, each with their unique strengths and weaknesses. Factors such as company size, industry type, growth stage, and culture all influence the choice of structure. A well-designed structure can enhance communication, decision-making, resource allocation, and employee satisfaction. Keep exploring this fascinating aspect of business, and you'll be well equipped to understand and perhaps even shape the organizations of tomorrow.